everybody. Today I want to show you how we can join text or cells into one cell. We have two different ways. I will start with the function that calls concatenate. I will show you we can start in the cell D3. We need to put equals. After that we need to write concatenate. Double click the first parameter. This is text1. Text1, this is the first name from the B3. After that we have to put comma, and after comma I need to insert space I need to put with quotes, double quotes, and between the quotes I need to make one space, as you see. After that I need to put comma and the second text that I want to join for this string. After that I click on enter, and as you see we have one string that connects two strings, two cells into one string. I'm going to the right corner and I'm pushing it down, and as you see we have all data from the columns B and C inside into one column that called here D. And the second way we can start, I need to insert one column, to show how we can work with ampersand. Ampersand, we start with equals the first parameter B3. After that I'm going to ampersand shift 7 ampersand. After that I need to add quotes with one space between. After that I'm going to ampersand shift 7, shift 7, and after that I need to add C3 for our string. After that, as you see, we get the same result, the equal result to the E3. I'm going to the right corner and we get the same results in two different ways. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for my channel and have a nice day.